When you go to work through your packet, in this case I have Lesson 4, Progressive Imperialism, you've got your cover sheet, just got some information that's on the back of that sheet and with instructions. And then when you get to this sheet, in the case of Lesson 4, these are the notes. So you have information from Unit 6 on progressives and imperialism. So you're going to read through this information, study it, then use this information to complete this quiz. So for instance, let's do a couple of the questions. So the first question asks, what led to public pressure to change working conditions and especially safety? And these are our choices. So public pressure to change working conditions. So if I go back here to the notes and I look at this first item, it says the Triangle Shirtwaist Tragedy or fire led to public pressure to change working conditions. So number 1 would be B. Then number 2, the title of Upton Sinclair's novel that shocked people with horrors of the meatpacking industry. So we have the titles of some books here. So we'll go back up. We're looking for meatpacking industry. Here it is. Here's Upton Sinclair, and it says the novel was called The Jungle. So I go back to number 2, look for The Jungle, and that is C. And then when you get finished, you would take a picture of this and email it to me, or you can return it to the school. Now notice the last page of most of these packets have feedback information for the previous lesson. So this packet is lesson 4, but here's a feedback form for lesson 3. So I've actually put the questions from the lesson 3 industry quiz next to where you can find that in the notes. So if you have all the packets, that would help you to go back and do another quiz. But essentially that's all you need to do as far as completing a packet. So there are 4 lessons. You've got the notes. You use the notes to do the quiz, and you will have information at the end of each packet, or most of the packets, that will help you go back and do a previous quiz or to redo it. And so that's what you need to do as far as completing the packets for United States history.